Finally, let us look at some division problems. Here we have minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus minus 1. Now, in these type of questions, we have to use the BODMAS rule, according to which the bracket has to be solved first. So, minus 31 remains as it is, divided by, we are going to solve the brackets. So, we have minus 30 here and we are adding it to minus 1. So, minus 30 and minus 1 we will get minus 31. There are two negatives, negative and negative, we are going to add, that is minus 31. Now, here we are having minus 31, here we are having minus 31, and we know that if we divide two quantities which are exactly equal to each other, the result is 1. So, minus 31 upon minus 31, we get the result as positive 1, because two negatives are there, we will have to cancel the negatives. If we have one negative and one positive, the result would have been negative. But if we have two negative signs, the negative signs will be cancelled and we get positive 1 as the answer. Same way, let us look at the next one. We have the brackets minus 36 divided by 12 and whatever is the result divided by 3. So, again we are going to solve this bracket portion first. So, when I divide minus 36 by 12, what do I get? So, this implies minus 36 upon 12. When I solve this, I am going to get 12 3 times in 36. So, 12 3 is 36 and we are dividing by 3. So, the result is actually minus 3 upon 3, because minus 36 by 12 we have got minus 3 and minus 3 we are dividing by 3. So, minus 3 by 3, again the quantities are equal, but there is a negative sign here now. So, we can cancel 3 and 3. So, the result will be negative 1. So, we get positive 1 here, but we get negative 1 here, because here there were two negative signs, but here there is only one negative sign. So, either we have negative sign in the numerator or denominator, the answer will be negative. Finally, the third question, minus 6 plus 5 has to be divided by minus 2 plus 1. Now, look at this first bracket, we have a negative 6 and we have a positive 5, plus and minus means we have to subtract them. So, 6 and 5 when we subtract we get 1 and the symbol will be of the bigger number is 6. So, that is negative. So, we have minus 1 here divided by, look at the second bracket, minus 2 plus 1, again we have a negative number and a positive number. So, negative and positive means we have to subtract the two numbers, 2 minus 1 implies 1 and sign of the bigger number is 2. So, we get minus 1. So, minus 1 upon minus 1. So, this implies we are dividing minus 1 by minus 1. So, again two negative signs, one in the numerator, one in the denominator. So, we can cancel out that, we get 1 upon 1, therefore, we get the final answer as positive 1.